This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the tailgate and unclip the bulb access panel inside the boot. Remove the relevant bulb holder by turning it a quarter turn anti-clockwise. The bulb can now be removed by pulling it out of the bulb holder. Fit the new bulb, then refit the bulb holder securely. Clip the access panel back into place, then check the operation of the lights.